He won. Nice, nice, nice. The outcomes are now open, thank you. How's your day going, everyone? How's your weather in your country, of course? If I may ask, our outcomes, best of luck. 8 of diamonds for you. 6 of diamonds for the host. 6 of spades for you. Hidden for the host. 14 against host 2s. Let's see, everyone. Let's see. 2s of diamonds. Okay, let's hit. Let's reveal the hidden, which is 7 and 17. 8 plus 6 plus 9, 15. Oh, it was too many for you. Thank you for playing. Good luck the next round. Come on, everyone. I want a skibidi dop in the chat. For extra luck, of course, it's not for me. The outcomes are open. Thank you. Well, we have kind. Our outcomes, best of luck. 8 of hearts for you. 7 of diamonds for the host. 2 of clubs for you. Hidden for the host. Well, no one wants to talk here, of course. Let me ask you a question. Do you speak English? This is the main question. Because I don't. Let's double, let's hit. Oh ho ho, nice double, nice hit. Let's see next, let's see. 18, no, 20. One hit on 20, you troll. Of course. Let's reveal the hidden, which is 18. Doesn't matter anymore. Okay, compliments for your win. Best of luck in the next round. Whoever choose to hit on 20 and wasn't a misclick, shame on you. Only if it wasn't a misclick. If it was a misclick, understandable. But never do that again. The outcomes are now open, thank you. Welcome everyone, thank you for joining us. No more outcomes, best of luck. It was a miss, of course it was a miss. No one wants to hit on 20. King of spades for the host. Oh ho ho ho, a mixed pair for you, nice. Hidden for the host. Compliments for your mixed pair, everyone. I hope you placed a lot on that. In case if you're wondering how much is the payout comes, it's 6 to 1. Okay, let's split and let's hit. Whoever choose to split the twos, not a wise idea. I apologize. Now it's 8 for whoever choose to hit. Let's see. Let's hit one more time. Now it's 12 for whoever choose to hit. Apologies. But we still have to draw some cards because some players choose to split the twos. Let's hit. Okay, I can't keep track of the total, so I'll count on the DM. Let's see. Okay, let's hit one more time. But we still have to draw some cards, of course. Okay, let's hit one more time. I don't even know what's the total now. Let's see. Let's hit. Okay. Apologies. Let's hit one more time. Of course. And let's reveal the hidden, which is 20. Thank you for playing. Good luck in the next round. Never split the twos against host 10, everyone. If you need some advice, don't be afraid to ask me. I'm more than welcome to give you some advices. The outcomes are now open, thank you. Oh, of course. No more outcomes, best of luck. 6 of hearts for you. 4 of hearts for the host. 4 of hearts for your flash, a beautiful flash. Wow. Compliments for your flash, everyone. 5 to 1 is the payout comes. Nice. Welcome everyone, thank you for joining. Okay, what's the total? It's 10. Let's double and let's hit. Of course. Wise, well played everyone, well played. That double and that hit. We cannot complain about the 20, can't we? Let's see. And when the host shows 4. And let's see. 5, 15, and we need a double 10 or double 9 or something. Yeah, okay, first 10, a king. No, doesn't matter anymore. You won with a 20 against 18. Compliments for your win. Best of luck in the next round, everyone. And you got a flush as well. Compliments for your side. Let me give you another side. The outcomes are now open, thank you. Let me give you a good side that is more appealing for you. No more outcomes, best of luck. Queen of diamonds for you. 10 of hearts for the host. 4 of hearts for you. Hidden for the host. And you have a 14 against host 10. A very tricky decision, if you ask me. Now up to you to make the right decisions, everyone. Let's hit, let's double, of course. Not a wise double, not a wise hit. Let's reveal the hidden.